circumcision, harm, preputial amputation, involving the rolling mechanism of the skin. When you try to move your skin on other body parts, it doesn't move very much, right? But an intact penis, it slides up and down, it collides. For intact men, a lot more gliding room there, right? I used to do a lot of off-roading, and one of the things we talked about was travel. And I'm not talking about traveling of how far the vehicle goes, but how far the wheel moves up and down when you're going over rocks or whatever else, because you want to keep those wheels on the ground as much as possible, right? So you get long shocks and long springs on that to allow as much travel as possible. Well, some people like the idea of it being tight, so there's more friction, more sliding between, the anus or the vagina and the penis, and whatever, something like that, right? Well, an intact guy can still get that, right? All they have to do is hold it back and get that. But a guy that has been preputially amputated, no such thing. And when it comes to masturbation, you have no skin to, flex there. It's all tight when you get erect. I mean, of course, it's loose when you're flaccid, but it's tight when you're erect. There's not much movement you can do. It's really, really short movements. Kind of sucks. You have to, if you want to do this, you get some lotion or Vaseline or KY jelly or whatever it is that you like to get more full motion up and down. And that helps with anal sex, especially because you don't have a lubrication that the vagina has in anal sex. So in anal sex, this is supposed to be kind of closed up, but when it starts, it goes down, and the penis moves inside its own shaft, so its own skin, instead of trying to forcefully slide in and out of the anus. Wish I had that choice to be able to experience that myself, but again, it was taken away from me as an infant. Don't take it away from your child, even with his own personal choice about how much he wants to have removed from his own penis. Another circumcision harm.